shy, but wait a minute while I make your mind, make your mind.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, today we are from the PBL 104. We will present about the classic cryptography generation. The purpose of this presentation is so that at the end of the legend we can know and understand about this classic cryptography and generation. First, before we enter the expansion of classic cryptography and beginner shipper, I will introduce my group. My name is Inonu Febrianti. I'm group leader. Ilham Pratama, members. Salahuddin Alayubi, members. Muhammad Ashidik Nobel Degree, members. Roni Alfaraja Simomora, members. Zulfa Surya, members. Then, what is beginner shipper? Beginner shipper is an accuracy able to reduce the correctness between the letter fragments in plain text and shipper text. Next, Vigenere Shipper was introduced in the 16th century, published by the French cryptography de Vigenere. Before it was discovered, this algorithm was already drawn in the book La Cifra del Giovanni Battista in the year 1550. Next, the project output to presentation video, project demo video, and poster will be further explained by Bang Roni. Next.
So for the current achievement, it's enough to meet the target. And before we make the application, we first make a diagram of application works. The first image explains the flow for logging into the application that we have created. If you don't have an account, then select the sign menu. The application that the sign menu, the workflow in the sign menu is the second picture. Then if you have logged in or sign up, you will immediately enter the encrypt menu, the encrypt workflow as in the third image. Okay. Apart from the encrypt menu, there is also the decrypt menu. How decrypt works as in the fourth picture. Well, this application can also save files in the save as menu, and how it works is in figure 5, where the files we save will also be saved in database. For the picture is in number 5. Oh, next, please. Okay. The next material will be delivered by Ilham.
Okay, beside the R diagram earlier before, making the application, we also make a sketch design about the application it will make. The sketch make it easier for us to create the application, and this the sketch it can also be clearly sent about the design and what the function are described in the diagram section. In the picture one, it is a sketch on login view. On this login view, also up there, there is not account yet there. It's assigned in manual on design. In menu, it is to create an account, as we say in the second picture. And for the third and fourth picture, it is the menu to encrypt and decrypt the text file. Text material directly will be reviewed by the
display of this program in the form of a login display. Before entering the main program, namely the encrypt and decrypt program, you must log in first, and if you don't have an account, you can regress an account by clicking on the sign up text. On the sign up page, you are asked to enter your username and password. If you have filled in the request data, please tick I agree so you can regress your account. Your account will be stored in the same DB MySQL database, and you can see the data also in the SQL file. You don't need to worry because your password will be hashed using SHA-256. After logging, you will go to the main page, namely the encrypt page. On the encrypt page, there are several features, namely change page to swap the page from encrypt to decrypt, encrypt to carry out the encryption process, clear all to delete plain text, key and result column. Clear history. In the clear history section, you will only delete the history column. Open files. You can open a folder to encrypt it using a text file. After you select the file you want, the file will be immediately encrypted. Save as. You can save the data that you have encrypted in a database and also save it in the form of a text file so that you can immediately decrypt it if you want to decrypt. About Us, you can see about the app by going to About Us and log out after you have finished encrypting and decrypting. You can exit by pressing the logout button. On the decrypt page, it is the same as on the previous spec, namely encrypt. There are the same features, and the only difference is the method. Previously encrypt and now decrypt. This is the form of the content of a text file that has been saved after encrypting or decrypting. The storage format is zip with keys and result, so that if you want to execute the file, you can execute it directly. And when you save the file will also be saved in the SQL file and database storage. When you save the account that you have registered, it will also be saved in the SQL file, and the password will display the hashing result. Of course, you don't need to worry. We s- we use SQL output, so it's easy when you want to view it. And instead of just saving to SQL, well, we also save the database using MySQL Send. And here's some snippets of our coding that all about the next, next. And that's all about the features of our application. The next material will be delivered by Salahuddin.
The evidence of the logbook that has been made by Dina at the head of the federal group, starting from us determining the title and until we have finished the application. There are some logbooks that are sent as proof of a segment or recap. In addition to the logbook, we also have to process as proof for the problem we experienced. We changed the title several times because there was an error, or even the code was not found. Next will be explained by Bang Mode.
Related to the format of each of us backup each order in order to learn together and everything can be. For the code Bang Zulfajri is the one who completed the code. The second is Made by Ilham. The R diagram is by Made by Bang Roni. Dina makes documentation and backup order to help smooth this progress, and Bang Nobel and Bang Salahuddin so have related to the code and maybe that's all we can say, more or less. Sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Semuanya muncul on cam. Baru saya baik.
Terima kasih semua.
1, 2, 3.